Life can be unpredictable. It has a way of surprising us when we least expect it. One minute you're sailing smoothly, the next you're caught in a financial storm. It can feel like everything is spiraling out of control. Maybe your car decided to give up, leaving you with a hefty repair bill. It's frustrating and can throw your budget off balance. Or perhaps you lost your job unexpectedly, throwing your income into uncertainty. The sudden loss of a steady paycheck can be daunting. These situations are stressful, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The weight of financial pressure can be heavy, but remember, you're not alone. Many people have faced similar challenges and have found ways to overcome them. Millions of people face financial challenges, and there are ways to navigate these turbulent waters. Seeking advice and planning can make a significant difference. The first step is to take a deep breath and acknowledge the situation. Acceptance is crucial in moving forward. Don't bury your head in the sand. Ignoring the problem won't make it go away. It will only make it worse. Facing the problem head-on is crucial to finding solutions and regaining control of your finances. Start by organizing your bills and creating a budget. Remember, even in the midst of financial hardship, there is always hope. Small steps can lead to big changes over time. By taking proactive steps and adopting smart money management strategies, you can weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Celebrate small victories along the way. Yeah, it's tough. The stress can be overwhelming, and it's okay to feel that way. But knowing that others are going through the same thing helps a lot. Sharing your experiences can provide comfort and new perspectives. Just take it one step at a time, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There are resources and people willing to support you. Educate yourself on financial management. Knowledge is power, and it can help you make informed decisions. With determination and the right strategies, you can turn your financial situation around and achieve your goals. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow and learn. Stay positive and keep moving forward. When money is tight, a budget becomes your best friend. Think of it as your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals and helping you avoid unnecessary detours. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Where does your money come from each month? Where does it go? This might seem tedious, but it's eye-opening to see how even small, seemingly insignificant expenses add up. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start making adjustments. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more money towards essential expenses like housing, food, and utilities. Remember, budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices with your money and prioritizing your financial well-being. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Saving money is easier said than done, right? We all know the importance of saving, but putting it into practice can be quite challenging. We've all been there, staring longingly at that new gadget or feeling tempted to order takeout instead of cooking at home. These small temptations can add up quickly, making it hard to stick to a budget. It's easy to fall into the trap of impulse purchases or feel pressured to keep up with a certain lifestyle. Social media and peer pressure can make it seem like everyone else is living lavishly, which can lead to overspending. But remember, true financial freedom comes from living within your means and making choices that align with your long-term goals. It's about finding satisfaction in the progress you make, no matter how small. One common struggle is dealing with unexpected expenses. These can throw your budget off course and create stress. Just when you think you're on track, an unexpected car repair or medical bill pops up. These surprises can be financially draining and emotionally taxing. That's why it's crucial to have an emergency fund, a financial safety net to cushion the blow of life's surprises. This fund can help you manage unexpected costs without derailing your financial plans. Another challenge is staying motivated and disciplined. It's easy to start with enthusiasm, but maintaining that momentum is key. Saving money requires consistency and effort. Regularly reviewing your budget and tracking your progress can help you stay on course. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your spending habits that add up over time. Simple actions like cooking at home, walking instead of taking a taxi, or making your own coffee can make a significant difference in the long run. When it comes to saving money, cutting expenses is often the first line of defense. It's a practical approach that can yield immediate results, but this doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation. In fact, it's about making smarter choices that enhance your quality of life. It's about being mindful of your spending and identifying areas where you can trim the fat without sacrificing your well-being. Start by creating a detailed budget to see where your money is going. Start by looking at your monthly subscriptions. These small recurring charges can add up quickly. Are you using all those streaming services? If not, consider canceling the ones you rarely watch. Do you really need that gym membership if you rarely go? There are plenty of free or low-cost alternatives for staying fit. Canceling unused subscriptions can free up a surprising amount of cash. This extra money can be redirected towards savings or other essential expenses. Next, consider your grocery shopping habits. This is another area where small changes can lead to big savings. Planning your meals in advance not only saves money, but also reduces food waste. Buying in bulk when possible can be more economical, especially for non-perishable items. And opting for generic brands over name brands can significantly reduce your grocery bill without compromising on quality. Eating out less is another easy way to save. Restaurant meals are often much more expensive than home-cooked ones. Cooking at home is not only healthier, but also much more budget-friendly. Plus, it can be a fun activity to do with family or friends. Invite friends over for potlucks instead of meeting at restaurants. This way, you can enjoy good company and delicious food without the hefty price tag. By making these small adjustments, you can significantly cut unnecessary costs and boost your savings. It's all about making mindful choices that align with your financial goals. Boosting your income, exploring additional income streams. While cutting expenses is essential, it's equally important to explore ways to increase your income. This could involve asking for a raise at your current job, taking on a side hustle, or finding creative ways to monetize your skills and passions. The gig economy has opened up countless opportunities to earn extra cash. From freelance writing and virtual assisting to driving for a ride-sharing service or delivering food, there are options for various skills and interests. Do you have a knack for crafting, baking, or photography? Consider selling your creations online through platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Remember, every little bit counts. Even an extra $100 or $200 per month can make a significant difference in your financial situation over time. Community support utilizing available resources. You don't have to navigate financial challenges alone. There are numerous community resources available to help you get back on your feet and achieve financial stability. If you're struggling to put food on the table, food banks and pantries offer supplemental food assistance to those in need. Local community centers often provide free or low-cost financial literacy workshops and counseling services. These resources can equip you with the knowledge and skills to manage your money effectively and make informed financial decisions. Don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. There are people and organizations ready and willing to support you on your journey to financial well-being. The power of small savings, long-term impact, and financial freedom. It's easy to feel discouraged when you're facing financial constraints, but remember that even small savings add up over time. The key is to be consistent and patient. Think of saving money like running a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes to your habits and gradually building momentum. One effective strategy is to automate your savings. Set up a system where a small portion of your income is automatically transferred to a separate savings account each month. You'll be surprised how quickly these small amounts accumulate over time. Another tip is to treat your savings goals like any other essential expense. Just as you prioritize paying your rent or mortgage, make saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. Your journey to financial security. Taking action and staying committed. Improving your financial situation requires action and commitment. It's not about making drastic, unsustainable changes overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps in the right direction. Start by setting realistic financial goals. Whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a down payment on a house, having clear goals will keep you motivated and focused. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This will make the process less daunting and more achievable. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but the key is to stay committed to your goals and never give up. Join the conversation, share your tips, and stay tuned for more. We've covered a lot of ground today, but this is just the beginning of our journey towards financial empowerment. I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your tried and true money-saving tips? Share your wisdom in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. Stay tuned for more practical advice, inspiring stories, and actionable strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Together, we can create a brighter financial future.